All aboard!
Well, hello and welcome to my first progress layout, first progress video of my layout build of 2024. And if you stick around, I've done something a bit different. I've done a time lapse and I'm going to be building the last of the boards. In total, there's three 5-foot by 4-foot boards, so it makes the layout space at the moment 15 foot by 4 foot, which gives me a fair bit of scope. Here what I'm doing, I'm using marine ply as my upper surfaces, and I'm using battening for the side structures, the support, and it's being screwed and glued together. And tools I'm basically using a drill to drill pilot holes for the screws, using a smaller drill bit than the screws, just to make a pilot hole so it doesn't split the wood. And I'm also using PVA glue to make a firm bond together, which gives a good structural build to it. Shouldn't go anywhere, and afterwards I mount legs onto it, which are basically square battening, and they're fairly sturdy. I could, if I want to, get up on top of the layout and stand on it, but that ain't gonna happen. And the basic tools I needed, I use a cordless screwdriver, which saves a lot of time. I use a jigsaw, again it saves a lot of time. And basically a drill. I had a plane for levelling up any bad surfaces and levelling them up and smoothing them out. What else did I have? That's about it, really. Just so I can work quick and fairly easily. Once the boards are made, I'm gonna be getting some brackets to clamp them together level, put them on the sides, and then I'll probably put bolts underneath doing the same thing. It's all being made with a view to, if I ever move, which I don't think I'm gonna, I'm pretty settled, but not being blunt about it, at my age now, I've probably got a decade, maybe 2 left, so it's got to be easier for whoever takes it out after I hang me clogs up. Being blunt about it, none of us are immortal, and I'm just gluing it, and that's a problem with model railway thing, like, you see people saying it's alive and well, and yeah, it is, while those older generation are around with more disposable income, but that disposable income's gonna dry up. And I was watching, because being blunt, we've gradually fallen off our perches. And being blunt about it, there was a video, I was just watching it today, and it was at a model railway exhibition. It was one of Well Chuffed's videos, and I'll be honest, be fully honest about it, I think there was one kid without grey hair at the whole exhibition. I don't, looking, for how much I did look at the crowds there, I spotted one person that wasn't over 50. And that is, it looks a grim future for the hobby, because when we were younger we got a lot of young people at exhibitions and stuff. But anybody who says they're coming through just isn't looking at reality. You may get the odd one or two interested, but it's minimal. And people say they do different things like YouTube, etc. Well, yeah, I agree, but there's modern image layouts, model railway shows. So you're telling me the modern image guys aren't interested in going seeing layouts at shows? I don't think so. But hey, that's just me. I'm a cynical old getter best of times. And here we are, I'm just dropping it into the space. It's been made exact for the space, so it fits like a glove if you have 4 fingers. Maybe 3. And there we are, I'm working out at the moment, why is it not level? What's going on? Trying to wobble it into position, and then I work out in a minute I'll have to get underneath. Oh no, at the moment I'm still finishing off the legs, putting screws in the legs, etc. But in a minute I'll be, why is it not levelling up, etc. Here we go, here's the confusion. I'll go underneath, move stuff around. Take about, there we go, dropped. Happy as a sandboy. And here we go, I'm just running some trains on it, because I got the Gauge Master double controller. I can now run a couple of trains. I'm not getting onto scenic or track layout yet. I'm getting my boards properly bolted together before I do that. But the triangle on my smoke unit, if lit proper, it sets a nice bit of atmosphere. Running it round a couple of times, and I've got a couple more old triangle locos, and they've got smoke units, a couple of Battle of Britain class, so they may well be coming up for restoration, so I can run them with smoke. One's got synchro smoke and another's just got a basic soothe unit on. But it's very atmospheric. You can't see it that well unless you light it proper, but there's a lot there if you light it proper. You know it's there because you can smell it, and it's a beautiful smell too. It actually smells like steam. I don't know whether that's the blend of the oil or not. Someone's blended it to smell like steam. I don't know, but it works for me. Works very well, to be honest. Because it's a synchro smoke unit as well. You get the a bit of a pulse, and so it's puffing steam out rather than just coming out. Coming out. Ooh. Oh, matron. Hoist the rainbow. Anyway, that's about it. Some nice atmospheric shots. Once scenery's up and running, that'll look beautiful. with scenery, with the lighting in the right place. It looked very atmospheric, especially if the local has sound as well. I just love it. Loving that. I'm loving how atmospheric it is. It looks really good. Like I say, put some scenics down with that, didn't it? It'll look outstanding. It even makes the train coming the other way look good. But imagine if the one coming the other way had synchro. Anyway, thank you for watching. To those who've not subscribed, well, why the hell not? It's a free push of the button.